Brothers, come with me. This is another town touch of it. We are staying. Come with me. Let's go and check inside. This is the house we are staying. This is the bed sheets. As you see and witness everything. This is how the lives are at the rooftop, and then the curtains. These are the mothers living in this house, inshallah. Therefore, with your aid, we can establish new houses for them, bi'idhnillah ta'ala. Mkaya mwizi mufulume? Bomzo zetago kubao? Aliwo. Aya. Alhamdulillah, with this family, here is the father, the husband, this family. Therefore, with your support, you can establish a livelihood and the house construction program, inshallah ta'ala. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.